Billings played host to several notable names tonight. Veterans Affairs Secretary Dennis McDonough and Senator Jon Tester held a roundtable discussion to hear veterans' concerns about VA medical care. Q2's Mitch Laggy was there.
On the Montana State University Billings campus Monday, Veterans Affairs Secretary Dennis McDonough, along with Senator Jon Tester, had a roundtable discussion to hear veterans' experiences with the VA healthcare system.
Our delivery of services and care in our rural communities is a fundamental priority for the department. And so I really wanted to hear directly from you about that.
Reporters were allowed into the MSUB Glacier Room to hear opening remarks from Tester and McDonough, but were asked to leave the room during the discussion to allow the veterans to speak freely. Both men gave short interviews after the event. Senator Tester said a common theme that he heard from the veterans in attendance was that there needs to be wider access to mental health care for veterans in Montana.
There's a lot of opportunities out there thinking outside the box for mental health. I think that's solid. It wasn't amongst everybody. I think we also heard how good the VA is doing in certain areas, and I think that's good. We heard that VA is a preferred health care amongst many of the folks here, and we also heard that there's some challenges out there. Things aren't perfect every day, and we have some things we can improve. I thought it was a very fruitful event.
Another problem vets called out is a high turnover rate among medical staff and trouble with retention.
But this is a major challenge, and we're going to have to stay on top of it. We heard some of that frustration today, and that's why we're making it the priority that we're making.
In the coming months, Tester said he expects the VA to experience a wave of new appointments that were postponed or rescheduled due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
I think there's a lot of healthcare out there where people haven't got healthcare in the last year that will be stepping up and wanting healthcare, so there's going to be a lot of pressure on the VA from that angle.
In Billings, Mitch Laggy, MTN News.
Thank you, Mitch. This is McDonough's first trip to Montana since assuming his role in February. He and Tester will host similar listening sessions with vets in Bozeman, Butte, and Helena.